Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a cordless screwdriver with torque pre-selection from PARKSIDE. I bought this specific one from Lidl. I paid $17.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from any other online retailer such as eBay or Amazon. But of course, Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do is show you the outer box, any information on the outer box that is there, and of course show you the contents of the box and the product itself. So let's get started. So this one is a mid-size box or a medium-sized box. Just a quick around. So in the front side you can see the product or an illustration of the product. So this specific one comes with a 4 volt or 4 volt 1.5 ampere hour battery. Now this specific sign here, again, I'm not entirely sure if it indicates that it charges from 0 to 160 minutes or the battery lasts 60 minutes if it's going to be operated. Also, one interesting part with this specific screwdriver is that it comes with 6 insulated special bits that protect you with up to 1000 volts. And that information can be seen at the bottom of the box here as well. And some torque information here. And on the right side of the box, we can see that this specific one comes with 3-year warranty. And this is the information at the front. The same information is on the back. Now on the sides, some further information. So it does say 60-minute quick charger USB Type-C. So from the looks of it, according to the information here, the battery can charge in 60 minutes. But again, you can pause at any time to read the information here. And on the other side, just a hotline number, and at the bottom, the actual illustration of the product and the bits that come with it. So let's open it. Now the way to open it is this box has 2 stickers on both sides. You can use a knife or a scissor. In my case, I used a scissor. You just cut the plastic sealing and you should be able to open it. There's no need to use force. This is the cardboard box and there is nothing else there. And this is the mid-size box. Now this specific one has the option of putting a small lock if you wish. The way to open it is just like most of the normal toolboxes. Just put the hinges out and lift the box. Now from the one side, which is the top side, there is a glove box, and then there is a manual or instructions guide, which of course has a barcode which you can scan and then check the information online. So this is what comes with the box. So the actual cordless screwdriver, the 6 bits, and the charger. Now let me just zoom in so you can see the bits. Now this is the actual cordless screwdriver itself. Very interesting tool. It has 6 options, which has 6 different torque levers from 1 to 6. It has 2 buttons, which is one on the front and one indicating the back. So you can see 2 arrows, one to go clockwise and one to go anti-clockwise. The brand name, the actual reference of the product, some information here on the back, and on the back side at the bottom it's the Type-C input where you can charge the actual product. Now if you were to click one of the buttons, you can see that you should be able to see here that there is two strong LED lights. Now if I go to get one of the bits, or they are called the insulated bits, you should be able to click it in there or set it in the actual area, and then again clockwise and anti-clockwise depending on the use. Now what I'm going to show you is if I put it to torque 1, you should be able to hear the noise. So what I'm going to do is now put it to the torque 6, so you can listen. You can hear the difference, and the sound is definitely different. Very simple tool, simple and nice. Now the charger, this is the charger head or the plug socket, and this is the cable, which the cable is quite lengthy as well. Now in case the cable breaks, you're gonna get another one, and you don't have to actually throw the whole charger because of the cable not working. And the good thing with this specific product is that it charges with a Type-C. So that would mean that if you have additional equipment which you use that they use a Type-C cable, this would mean one less cable for you. And that's it pretty much. It's as simple as that. The product feels nice, strong, solid. It doesn't feel cheap. In my hands it feels premium, but again, this is subjective. What you're paying for, you're getting a very good quality tool. Now, one thing that you need to pay attention buying this one is that the bits that come with this one are very specific. So as you can see, this one here, probably I need to get another one so I can compare them, but they are bigger than the normal ones. So if I were to get one bit set from the 71-piece bit set, which has the normal universal bits, and let's say I get that one, just a random one, even if I try to put it in there, it will wiggle around and eventually fall out. So these ones are smaller. The normal universal ones are smaller compared to the ones that that come with the cordless screwdriver. So as you can see from here, there's no adapter. I mean, I couldn't find one, but there is definitely an adapter. So if you're able to get an adapter, then you should be able to use the other products from PARKSIDE or any other universal bit from there. So you won't be able to use the 71 bit set or the 37 or the 15-piece bit set or the 32-piece bit set. Is not compatible with a cordless screwdriver with torque pre-selection from PARKSIDE. Please do pay attention when you're trying to buy this one, because you'll definitely need another adapter for you to use any of the other normal universal bit set. This one uses the ones that are slightly bigger. But that's it pretty much. It's a very nice tool. It's $17.99. Again, if you're able to get it from Lidl, do go for it. Otherwise, you'll have to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.